In selecting Six Sigma project, it is important to understand what a process is. As a Six Sigma project, what you want to do is you want to improve a process, and for that you need to understand what a process is. To understand the process in a simple manner is this particular diagram, that for any process you have some input and something happens in that process box and then you have an output. So that's how you can show a process, that you have a process, something happens in that, and for doing that you need some sort of an input. So there are inputs to the process and then there are outputs to the process, and you need to understand where your process starts, where your process finishes, because if you understand that, that can help you in defining your project. Because when you say you are improving a particular process, you need to understand where your process starts, what's the starting point of that process, and what is the ending point of that process. Understanding that is important in selecting the project. So this was a simple definition of process. So process has input and process has output.